Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unhide hidden or locked chats on WhatsApp. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you'll be able to see locked chats right here under your WhatsApp app. You can just tap on it. Now, enter your PIN or scan your fingerprint. Go ahead and find the chat, tap and hold, and then you'll be able to see 3 dots right here at the very top. Just tap on it, and there will be an option to unlock the chat, so you won't be able to see it. So just tap on unlock chats, and it will need your fingerprint. There you go, it's gone. Now let's say you have locked the chat, right? Continue. And then you tapped on this feature right here, and then you went ahead and tapped on the 3 dots, and then tapped on chat locked settings. All right, you'll be able to see hide locked chats. Enable it, create a secret code. So for example, secret, next, secret, next. And then once done, click on OK. Then when you go ahead and go back, it's gone. There are no locked chats here anymore. So to find it, you'll have to use the search bar. Just type down your secret code or locked chat code, tap on locked chats, and here you have it. Tap and hold, double 3 dots, unhide it or unlock the chat. All right, that's basically it. Now, what if you forgot your code and you don't have the feature in here? Don't worry, you can just easily refresh it. Go to settings and privacy right here. And then find, I think we have it under chat lock. Yeah, right here. So unlock and clear locked chats. Now, this will clear all messages, photos, and videos in locked chats. Locked chats will not be unlocked on the main chat list. Okay, if you forgot your secret code, you can clear it right here. So unlock, scan your fingerprint or PIN, and it's back. That's how simple it is to unhide hidden or locked chats on WhatsApp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.